I don't use much pressure. I don't need much pressure because the hair here is kind of grow backward, down and backwards at the same time. It's very easy. I don't need much pressure. I'm gonna do medium pressure and medium heat so I can control I can control the hair is not gonna be too dry if I put on a high speed and high heat. So medium heat is enough. Medium pressure, medium heat. Drying the sides. Hey there, I have a message for you. Did you know I have hundreds of detailed tutorials showing on a step-by-step in how to cut and style all types of hair in my app? Plus, you can be part of a private community where you can ask all your questions directed to me and of course, connect with barbers all over the world. If you want to become a barber with a high performance and make 6 figures a year, join us. The link is on the description on this video. I'm using a small round brush. So here, I'm just gonna dry the hair downwards because that's the direction the hair is going to be pulled, the direction the hair is going to be styled. Always dry the hair and already style the hair on the position that's going to be styled. So it's time for the finalization, the final details. Now I'm going to apply a product, a paste that is going to give the hair like a natural silk look. I'm going to maintain all the natural way the hair is, so that's why I'm using something that is not shiny at all. There's no glossy, there's no like I'm not adding any moisture or anything. His hair is not asking for that. One hand I use the palm and the other I'm grooming with my fingers. So now I'm going to use a comb. So that's how I do my style. I did blow dry a little bit with the grooming at first in the beginning. Now I dried, add some texture. I now apply a little bit of paste. Now I'm going to use my vent brush. I'm going to put all the hair in place and then I'm working with my creativity to create something beautiful for him, something that is going to suit him. I'm putting all the hair in place first. I'm just following the hair growth pattern because you don't need to fight with the hair. Now I'm going to use 2 combs, okay? I'm going to use a wider tooth comb and my regular comb, my cutting comb. The wider tooth is to create some quiff sections here. And the smaller comb, my regular comb, I'm going to work on the edge where my transition area is, to make the hair more neat and clean. So now once again I'm going to apply a little bit of hairspray in this comb because this comb is going to create the quiff sections here. Now with my regular comb, working on the edge. I'm using my imagination here. You guys saw it. You guys saw the step by step how I do a comb over with a natural side part. I found the right place, the right spot. The hair, it's natural, it separates itself here. So this is a comb over with a natural side part with a medium to low fade. As you can see, came out clean. I believe you guys can do better than this. All you can do is just follow the step, find a model, write it down, all the tips, everything that I mentioned here. Find a model, just follow the steps. You can even get better than me.